Attention to all network marketers, leaders, newbie, techie ka man or hindi, basta you are in the network marketing industry or direct selling marketing industry, this is for you. Why? Finish this video until the end because this will guarantee you results, knowledge, wisdom that can give you results for your business the moment makapag-take action ka. That's why do not close this video. And who is this for? Regardless of what company you are in, ano man yung product mo, ano man yung business mo, is your company on one of these logos or not, no? Para po sa inyo to. So, ikaw, gusto mo bang kumita ng consistent at predictable na income? Hindi yung minsan meron, minsan wala, or palaging wala, di ba? Gusto mo bang mabawi lahat ng nilabas mong puhunan, oras, effort, at tiwalang binuhos mo sa negosyo mo? Gusto mo bang makamit yung rank, travel incentives, at recognition para naman makita mo yung bunga ng lahat ng pagod mo, puyat mo, at the same time, yung effort na nilalagay mo. Gusto mo bang magkaroon ka ng benta araw-araw na parang hindi ka nagmumukhang naghahabol or desperado at ikaw lang yung palagi nag-a-approach? Gusto mo bang may team kang gumagalaw kahit na wala ka? Hindi yung ikaw lang ang umaasa sa sarili mong sipag, hindi ka nakapag-duplicate or palagi ka nakapag-experience ng tinatawag nating attrition. Gusto mo ba na meron kang malinaw, simple at smart na sistema, yung hindi tsamba, hindi nakakapagod at kaya makapag-duplicate? Gusto mo rin bang matuto kahit hindi ka techie? Basta guided ka, willing ka mag-aral, paano nga ba mas ma-improve yung negosyo mo? And last but not the least, gusto mo bang magkaroon ng resulta para sa mas malalim na dahilan? Hindi lang para sa iyo, kundi para sa future mo, sa pamilya mo, at sa purpose mo sa buhay. Gusto mong makatulong sa iba, magkaroon ng impact. Tama? Yan din ba lahat ng mga desires mo? If you answered yes to all of my questions, then definitely this video is for you. But despite of all of that, alam naman natin na para makuha mo yung mga bagay na gusto mo, there are some challenges. So, is this for you ba? Para ba talaga sa'yo to? This is for you if you are a newbie network marketer. Yung sabi mo sa sarili mo, gusto ko talaga to, pero hindi mo alam kung paano. Lost ka sa dami mong kailangan gawin. Paano ka nga ba mag-prospect, mag-invite, mag-present, mag-closing, mag-follow up. Hindi mo alam paano mo i-manage yung oras mo. Umaasa ka sa upline mo, wala kang clear direction, baka busy siya, marami siyang ginagawa, and hindi ka nakakagalaw the moment wala ka talagang guidance or structure at hirap ka mag-invite at prospect. Natatakot ka, hindi mo alam kung ano sasabihin, wala kang complete na materials or script or di kaya nakapag-try ka na ng business opportunities before at wala ka pang confidence para gawin to. Alright? Isa ka rin ba sa exhausted na network marketer? You are 3 to 6 months na. Nag-e-effort ka pero hindi pa rin sapat. Parang nauubos na yung war market mo, friends mo or kakilala mo, wala ka pa ring significant result until now. May konting sales pero wala pang consistency. Hindi mo alam, again, nahihirapan ka paano i-manage yung job mo at the same time yung business mo. Marami ka ng gastos, pero halos wala ka pang kita, like gastos when it comes to trainings, nag-i-invest ka ng time mo, effort mo, pero hindi ka pa rin nakakapag-ROI. So, I call that as an exhausted network marketer, right? And yan din mismo na experience ko pa before. Kaya ko to pinapakita lahat because I've also been in your shoes. But don't worry because there is hope and I'm gonna be showing you real solutions that you can do in a short while. And are you someone that you're an overwhelmed at worker? Yung napapaisip ka, ano kayo yung pwede kong gawin? 6 months to 1 year ka na, may team ka na, pero hindi gumagalaw. Ikaw pa rin yung push ng push. Aware ka na rin sa mga other ways of prospecting like online, automation, digital, pero hindi mo alam kung paano nga ba implement, hindi mo alam paano gagawin, na naririnig mo na yung about AI, nag-aaral ka na sa YouTube, online, pero hindi ka pa rin nakakapag-take action. During this time, baka burnout ka na, pagod ka na mag-experiment, gusto mo magkaroon ka ng sistema at gusto mo magkaroon ka dito ng full-time income. Right? And if you are someone then na stagnant but present network marketer, 1 to 2 years ka na, consistent ka nag-a-attend ng training, pero hindi ka pa rin umaangat or hindi mo pa rin nakukuha yung breakthrough mo. Lagi kang present sa mga trainings at events, pero wala kang excitement, networking become a side income, not the main thing. Ibig sabihin, okay, andyan lang yan siya, babalikan mo lang pag meron kang oras. Pero alam mo, yung pwede maging potential sa'yo ng negosyo. Tama? Aware ka sa automation, strategies, pero ayaw mo na siya i-explore kasi hindi mo alam din kung paano at takot ka rin na itry. Right? And last but not the least, no, second to the last, the almost breakthrough networker. Ikaw yung naranasan mo ng magkaresulta, pero hindi mo alam kung paano ulitin. Nakabenta ka na, naka-incentive, or naging top sa team pero hindi consistent. Baka nakachamba lang. May team ka na pero hindi gumagalaw ng kusa. Gusto mo ng mas stable na kita pero wala kang clear na sistema. And by this time around, di ba, hinayaan ka na lang din ng mentor mo. Right? And last but not the least, pag ikaw leader ka, matagal ka na sa network marketing, nakabuild ka na ng grupo, ito yung na-experience din natin, burned out builder. More than 3 years ka na, ginawa mo na lahat, may team na ako, pero ako pa rin halos lahat gumagalaw, or paulit-ulit ka na build ng grupo, and hindi ka pa rin nakapag-experience ng passive income or leverage. May experience ka na, may rank ka na, may kita, pero more on prestige. Pero pag titignan natin yung consistent monthly income mo, mas malaki pa rin yung expenses mo or yung lifestyle mo. Diba? Alam mo kaya mo na ng sistema, kailangan mo ng sistema na kaya mong i-leverage. At gusto mong magtuloy pero hindi ka na gaya ng dati, pagod ka na. Gusto mo this time to work smarter. Is that you? Diba? So if you have this type of challenges, you're a burnout builder, almost breakthrough, stagnant not present, overwhelmed networker, exhausted networker, you are a newbie, or di kaya pag ikaw hahayaan mo lang na wala kang gagawing bago, wala kang sistema, you don't work smarter in your network marketing business, then most probably, ito yung magiging cycle mo or ito yung mangyayari sa inyo. The moment that you rely on the same methods that you do and you rely na hindi ka mag-improve at hindi ka mag-invest sa self-development mo. That's why I'm showing all of that because my goal on this video is give you clarity on what's keeping you stuck para makapag-move ka sa next level. And in order for you to not experience the things that I've shown you if ikaw newbie ka pa lang or bago ka pa lang, no? And my goal here is to provide you real solutions that you can take action kung ano man yung company mo, ano man yung product mo, ano man yung situation mo right now, there is hope and solution for that and show you how to do network marketing or direct selling in the smartest way possible through AI and automation. Pag sinabi natin smartest way, yan yung makapag-save ka ng time, effort, makapag-leverage ka at hindi ka yung nagre-rely lang sa traditional or manual approach. Okay? Now, who am I and bakit nga ba ako magtuturo sa'yo? Talagang tama ba? Or di kaya, am I someone that is worth listening to? And dito po, magpapakilala na ako sa inyo. By the way, ako nga pala si Mabel Funtalon. I'm the founder of the Automated Networker Program, wherein I have around more than 1,000 students from different network marketing companies and I teach them paano nga ba makapag-automate online ang negosyo nila. And a lot already have been earning in a Tulungan program. I'm the creator of Network Marketing Toolkit and help over 5,000 network marketers from different companies. So the Automated Networker is the only program designed exclusively for network marketers here in the Philippines. Paano ka nga ba makapag-automate sa lahat ng sales process mo? And this has produced multiple millionaires from different companies and talagang proven and tested na po ito, established since last 2022. Aside from that, I'm also a network marketer like you. I've been 7 years in the industry. Dito po, no, one of my results, 6 months with the help of AI and automation, we earned around 4.8 million accumulated na income, incentives, and yan, actual income combined. So this is something na hindi lang po out of theory, but based on actual results, how I do it for my business and how I do it for my clients and my students. Because I want to make sure that what I'm going to be sharing you is something that is 7 years of my experience in the digital marketing world. And right now, dito ho, alam ko na ikaw gusto mo talaga magkaroon ng breakthrough and to achieve yung income, yung time freedom, yung grupo, lahat ng gusto mo sa network marketing business. And probably, we can relate with each other's experience, okay? So let's dive deep right now kung ano nga ba yung normal na challenges, and paano mo nga ba ma-overcome yan. So, yung kanina na pinakita ko sa'yo ng mga, di ba, different na mga types of network marketers, lahat yan, saan po nanggagaling? It's our challenge mainly with the sales process that we have. So, we know naman in order for us here to earn income, para magkaroon ka ng income, para magkaroon ka ng downlines, makapag-build ka ng team, nagre-rely tayo dapat na gawin natin yung actions na intended. Ano po yun? Mag-prospect ka, mag-invite ka, mag-present ka, mag-close ka, mag-follow up ka, at mag-join. Right? Now, the moment that you don't do all of this, it will result you to not having result. It will result you to becoming frustrated, overwhelmed, build burnout in the long run. That's why, dito kasi domino effect. Pag wala kang prospect at invite, wala kang mapipresentan, wala kang mako-closing, wala kang mako-follow up, at wala kang mapapa-join. Okay? Kahit na-attend ka pa ng training ng company nyo, the moment that you don't do this income-producing activities, then you won't have the result or income that you want. But here's the challenge with all yung mga experiences ninyo for the past 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 5 years. The usual way of doing the things that you need to do is manual, outdated, tiring, and very slow. Do you agree? Manual, mano-mano, ikaw yung naghahabol, ikaw yung you chase after prospects or your clients. Kakilala mo, kaibigan mo, doon lang nagre-rely, tama? Outdated, kumbaga, kung ano pa rin yung approach na like 10, 20, 30 years ago, hindi nag-a-adapt sa technology natin right now. AI, nagma-maximize ng advertising, social media, marami pa rin yung close-minded. In the moment po na hindi po kayo makapag-adapt dyan, kapag iiwanan talaga kayo. And marami rin nag-quit dito sa negosyo na to because it's so tiring. How can you do this if you have a full-time job, you have a family to manage, 'di ba? And you have a lot of things on your plate. Gusto nyo lang naman, 'di ba, kumita. But of course, when it comes to business, there are so many things required and very slow siya. Yes, sobrang ganda ng benefit, sobrang ganda ng pwede mong kitain, but it's a slow process the moment that you don't do it the smarter way, right? That's why I came up with a solution. And itong solution na to, make sure talaga to finish this video until the end. And itong solution na to, this is something na dumating ako sa point ng network marketing business ko na I wanted to quit. Gusto ko na mag-quit, gusto ko nang sumuko, and mag-aral na lang or maghanap ng trabaho. But alam naman natin, ikaw, pinasok mo tong business na to, marami nakakaalam na you don't want to be a quitter, di ba? You don't want to be a person na give up lang at mag-fail, right? So you're here because you have that hope in your heart. And ako rin mismo, I prayed, sabi ko, gusto kong maging successful dito. That's why kailangan meron akong solution for this so that I can continue with this business. And 5 years ago, dito ko po na-discover yung automation. Even before pa po nagkaroon ng AI and all automation, this was revealed to me. So automation is the process of using technology, machines, and systems to perform tasks with minimal human input. So, nasi-streamline yung mga process and makapag-save ka ng time, improve productivity, reduce error, ma-eliminate yung paulit-ulit na mga bagay na ginagawa, create more opportunities for you to have sales, benta, improve customer service, lower cost, and so many more. Now, ako, I've noticed it na sa ibang businesses na naging successful, especially sa US, di ba, first world country yun, dito sa Pilipinas, medyo late tayo lagi. Yung 5 years ago, automation, ito yung sekreto ng mga seven-figure businesses. Businesses that are already successful. And sabi ko sa sarili ko, if this is the exact sales process or exact thing that those successful businesses are doing, why not? I'll do this in network marketing. And during that time po, napakahirap because there was no one na nagtuturo ng digital marketing, especially dito sa industry natin. Wala pong nagtuturo when it comes to online marketing, ads, and all those stuff pag sa networking ka. So you had to really do trial and error. Years and years po yun. Nag-e-enroll sa iba't ibang mga mentors. I spent more than ilang millions, no, sa pag-i-invest ng time, effort, money natin. And grabe rin po yung trial and error. Sobrang dami rin ako mga courses and programs na na-enrollan, pero yung problem is always hindi specific sa network marketing. That's why yun po yung naging mission natin nung na-discover ko na kung ano yung best practices, ano yung mga solutions inclined for network marketers. That's why I created my own program to be able to help, and I'm paying it forward through this, yung ginagawa ko right now. Now, dito po sa automation, the moment that you implement this on your network marketing business, you will do business much smarter. So ito po yung sales process na ginagawa ko, and there are other sales process, but ito yung pinaka-basic. Instead of ikaw doing prospecting and inviting manually, and ikaw mismo yung naghahanap ng mga tao, ng mga prospects online, I use Facebook ads and Facebook page to do the prospecting and inviting for me. So, yung aking business at product, si Facebook na yung naghahanap ng mga taong interested na, willing at ready to buy. So imagine mo, hindi na ako nagmumukhang desperado, hindi na ako nagmumukhang naghahabol sa mga prospect, and it saved me a lot of time. Pag meron ng interested, may sumasalo na Facebook page or na automated din yung presentation ko, follow up po ng chatbot, 'di ba? And yung focus ko na lang ngayon is mag-convert ng client, yung mga interesado, yung mga nanonood ng presentation at nagre-respond. And kino-convert ko into a sale. So, itong sales process na 'to, dito pwede ka dito maglagay ng website or landing page or Facebook page, depende kung ano yung pinaka-swak sa'yo. And huwag kayong ma-intimidate ha when it comes to automation or ganito. Kasi kahit po hindi kayo techie, kaya po ito basta may expert lang talaga na maga-guide at magtuturo sa inyo. Gets? So, ito po yung bigger picture. So, pag iisa-isahin natin, gusto kitang bigyan ng value ngayon para makapag-learn ka. And this is something again that you can implement on your own or later on with my help. So when it comes to prospecting and inviting, yan di ba yung pinakaunang sales process? Sa mundo ng sales, tawag po dyan marketing, right? So sa marketing po, merong dalawang pamamaraan. Traditional marketing, ito yung magpiprint ka ng flyers, magpapa-advertise ka sa radio, TV, which is mahal, hindi nagagawa ng lahat yun, newspaper, iba, pupunta ka sa mga networking events, yan yung normal na way of marketing, word of mouth, referral. And right now, the smarter way to do marketing is digital marketing. Pero pag iisipin mo, paano ba mag-online marketing, mag-digital marketing, mag-YouTube ba, gagawa ka pa ng content, magti-TikTok ka ba, 'di ba, magre-reels ka ba? Ang dami, 'di ba? So magulo rin, ang dami ring information with regard to that. That's why dito ho, I'm gonna be giving you a shortcut. Ang digital marketing, if you want to maximize this, focus ka po sa Facebook advertising. Yup, this is the exact method that I am using, Facebook advertising, because it maximizes AI and automation both at the same time. Si Facebook, libre mo siyang magagamit, di ba? Pero the moment that you will advertise on this platform, magbabayad ka sa kanya. And halos lahat ngayon, nasa Facebook na. So probably ikaw, nakabili ka rin ng something from Facebook, right? Nakabili ka na rin dyan. So dito sa Facebook po, ito yung pinaka-efficient, mura, at effective way of marketing your product and services online. So instead of you chasing people, ikaw mag-a-approach, tapos sabihin kang wala kang pera, next time na lang, tanong muna nila sa asawa nila. Si Facebook po, ipapakita niya yung product mo or business mo sa mga taong naghahanap na, may desire at interested na, at yung product mo na yan, ipapakita niya sa mga taong yun yung qualities niya. Okay? Bakit niya po kayang ipakita yun? Is because si Facebook po, may database ng lahat ng mga users. So if ikaw, let's say, naghanap ka ng kape, sapatos, or anything online, di ba mabibigla ka minsan? Lalabas na yun sa Facebook mo. Sa Facebook mo, may naka-sponsored. So yun po ka-powerful yung technology. And the moment na mag-advertise ka doon, you already have that advantage. So parang ganito po yung itsura niya. Right? Yan, like ako, nakita niyo lang ako sa Facebook, di ba? Nakaka-relate kayo sa sinabi ko sa ad. Yung nakita niyo pong video or image ko, that is what I call an ad. And then you click this, di ba? Kaya na-lead kayo dito. So that is an advertisement. Hindi ko kayo hinabol, hindi ko kayo minessage or piniem isa-isa, but na-lead ka dito right now because of Facebook ads. So take note lang po, hindi po ito get rich quick. Meron pong tamang proseso para ma-set up mo yung pag-advertise at meron ka pong babayaran kay Facebook. Yes po, may bayad. Bakit po? Negosyo po ito. Okay, negosyo mo to. Kailangan mo mag-invest for your business. So instead of let's say magpapaprint ka ng flyers, 1,000 pesos, 100 pieces. tarpaulin, gumastos ka sa labas, di ba? Magpapakape ka, 500 yun. Tapos hindi naman magpa-pay in, di ba? Flyers, magbibigay ka sa mga tao random sa labas. Tapos hindi mo naman alam kung interested ba or tatapon lang nila yung flyers mo. Instead, put that money in Facebook advertising. And what's gonna happen is that that money will give you sales, will give you inquiries na ready to convert, and it will give you a higher chance of getting customers. Okay? Ang kagandahan dyan, hindi ka napagod, hindi ka na lumabas, and you can do that in the comfort of your home. So kagaya nito, si Sir Ben, I sold 8 units in 3 days. This week lang yon. This never happened before. That is more than 5,000 net income. And magkano lang yung ads niya niyan, di ba? Like around 500 to 1,000 pesos. Ito naman, share ko lang yung sa team ko rin. Yan, 109,000 in a month, 35,000. And lahat ng yan, nagagawa nila yan all at the comfort of their home and by investing in Facebook ads or in their marketing. Tandaan niyo po, marketing is the lifeblood of your business. Ito naman, si Rosemel, thank you very much, Coach, dahil doon nag-top 115 worldwide po ako sa company namin at hindi ko yun inakala. Naka 240,000 profit ako for December and 25,000 naman for the ad spend. Imagine mo, 25,000 yung investment niya for the ads, na-convert niya yung mga nag-inquire, kumita siya ng 240,000. So meron siyang around more than 220,000 net income. And that happened because of automating her prospecting and inviting through Facebook ads. Clear ho ba? So are you getting it? So later on, if you want to know kung paano mo ma-implement yan, finish this video until the end. Okay? Now, what happens next if you already have that? If you automated your prospecting, inviting, sobrang grabing impact na yan for your business, right? Sobrang grabe na yung pwedeng makuha mo dyan. Tuloy-tuloy na income, benta, sales, and focus ka na lang sa pagko-convert. Kagandahan dito, yung automation is not limited to just prospecting and inviting. You can also do it in presentation and closing the deal. Like before, how I do it, manual, pa isa-isa, ka magpe-present, 1 hour, 2 hours, and then hindi naman lahat mag-join, di ba? You've already spent 2 hours of your time, tapos wala palang budget and all those stuff. Yung iba naman, nilibre mo na ng kape, nilibre mo na ng pagkain, tapos hindi rin mag-join, mas napagastos ka pa ng mas malaki. The smarter way to do presentation and closing, especially when they are coming from ads or kahit mga kakilala mo, and busy ka ngayon, part-time mo pa lang itong ginagawa, you do it by automating your presentation. So, kaya mo palang ma-explain kahit tulog ka, kaya palang gumana yung presentation mo 24/7. So, dito, you need to have a recorded presentation so that when people are interested or if you are in prospecting or inviting someone, they can watch it anytime and you can follow up on them after. So, yung presentation na recorded na yon, you can put it in YouTube. Just send them the link of your presentation or you can, para mas professional, pwede nyo pong lagay sa website. Okay? Now, dito po, no, aside from that, you can also use Facebook page. On Facebook page, lahat na mag-i-inquire sa'yo, pwede nyo pong i-lead dito. Online store mo po yan, di ba? Ang kagandahan dito, libre po yan, wala po yung bayad. Okay? Diyan po sila mag-i-inquire, diyan mo po isi-send yung presentations mo. In my case naman, ito yung ginagawa ko, meron akong automated presentation so that di ko na kailangan ulit-ulitin mag-present. So, grabe po, kasi dito po sa presentation na to, talagang it saved me hours and hours of my time. Like for example, 5 hours per day times so 7 days, that is 35 hours per week times so in a month, in a year. Sobrang grabe po yung freedom na nabigay sa akin ito. So I focus on closing deals. Sa mga taong talagang interested, sa mga taong talagang ready mag-join at maging part ng business. So, ngayon po, ito yung exact na to, yung sales process na to, this gave me this result and my team also. Kaya, truly game changer. And ito po yung nabibigay ng millions of sales every month for me. I partnered this with Facebook ads and nililid ko sila sa automated presentation ko. That's why, ito po yung nagiging result. Okay, so one of our clients then, it gave her a 5 ready to close appointments daily because na-automate po yung presentation niya. So dito, the moment na ikaw may sistema ka na for prospecting and inviting, which is yun po yung Facebook ads na ma-maximize mo, magkaroon ka ng sistema for presentation, ma-automate mo yon and save and hundreds of hours, di ba? And you can now focus on closing the deal. Grabe, talagang sobrang game changer siya. And hindi lang to applicable sa network marketing, this is applicable in any type of business. Next naman, the moment na meron ka ng like percent closing, prospect, invite, percent, closing, of course you need to follow up, right? And you follow up din, let's say marami ka nape-presentan, 5, 10 in a day, 20 in a day. Hindi mo naman maisa-isa follow up yun or di kayo minsan iba awkward sila mag-follow up, right? That's why dito, I implement what I call the chatbot. Para hindi kayong kamusta ka o magbe-pay in ka na ba, ganun. Di ba, minsan awkward yun. But the moment na may chatbot ka, ang kagandahan dito, you can follow up 20, 30, even thousands of people in just a single click. So ito po, ginagawa ko po ito pag nagla-live presentation ako. Let's say I want to conduct a presentation, I invite 50 people, 100 people, 200 people, hindi mo yun lahat masisenda ng link. Hindi mo malahat yun masisenda ng reminders each and every hour. But because of having chatbot in place, I can do that. Okay? So, grabe, game changer po. Like, for example, ito po yung itsura niya. Ito po yung itsura ng chatbot. What I did is that, like ito, nakapag-send ako to 40 people in just a single click. Makapag-send po ako ng to 35 people, 110, 20, 100, like 68. So, pag may mag-i-inquire, automatic po na ano po sila. Pag nai-inquire, automatic po nasisendan sila. And then, automated po. No? The moment na may mag-inquire po sa page ko, nasisendan po agad sila ng details. So, kagaya po nito, nasisendan po sila ng details. Kahit natulog ako, kahit na madaling araw sila mag-inquire, lahat po yun, meron na po silang details kung ano po yung presentation ko. So, that is really, really powerful for your business. Okay? So, for example, ito po si Miggy, nagpa-thank you siya with regards sa training ko sa kanya about automation. So, here is his message. Sabi niya, "Morning coach, kamusta by the way? Na-enjoy ko yung tinuro mo. Binabalik-balikan ko, praise God, naka-earn na ako ng 35,000 to 30K per week and na-earn ko yung 1.6 million in 6 months time." So, ginagawa niya, ini-integrate niya talaga yung chatbot at nakapag-follow up siya. So, last yan ng kwento, nasa Japan siya, pero isang send niya lang ng follow-up, ang dami pa rin bumibili. And yan po yung magagawa nyo the moment na meron ka ring follow-up in place. Okay? And last but not the least here is that the moment that you have this, of course, sure ako na maraming mag-join sa'yo, sure ako na marami kang benta at magkakaroon ka ng downlines given na ma-implement mo to. And ang kapalit nito is talagang freedom and time, and you can focus on more important things like spending time with your family and spending time with your downlines and building relationship. And for me, napaka-importante rin yung duplication, right? That you onboard your customers, you give them value, you still guide them. And dito po ako nasasad minsan kasi like ako mismo before I was guilty of this when I have all the systems in place, sobrang dami yung nag-join. And nangyayari is that pag marami nag-join, hindi mo matututukan yung mga tao individually kahit na marami silang kailangan, they need to know about the products, the company, the business, and all those stuff. And of course, they need a mentor to help them. That's why what I did is that I developed a system wherein sa sistema na to, lahat ng basic na kailangan nila na malaman, knowledge about the product, about the company, anything that is recurring and anything na kailangan ng bago, are structured in a way na maging organized for them. Kasi nakikita ko ito yung usual na hindi ginagawa. Marami nag-join sa business, and then what happens is that yun, sobrang kalat, mag-a-attend ng trainings, mag-a-attend ng mga mentorings, or di kaya nakarely lang kay upline nila. And what happens next is that yun po, hindi sila natuturuan ng tama. That's why I developed a portal wherein day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5 ng businesses nila nakalatag na in the next 30 days. Lahat ng resources nila, lahat ng mga materials nila already provided for them. And what happened with this, I also again save time. Eh, nakapag-duplicate po ako ng mga downlines and they did not become dependent on me. So if you build it this way, you became smarter with how you do things in your business, then you definitely gonna need this, especially pag leader ka. kasi kailangan to and your business will grow much faster. At the same time, makapag-duplicate ka at mas makukuha mo ng mas mabilis yung passive income na gusto mo. Okay? So yan po yung automation in action. That's how I automate all my sales process for my business in order for you to achieve this and para ikaw, tuloy-tuloy na yung income mo. You don't need to be burned out. Don't need to be frustrated or overwhelmed with your business. And continually, mag-grow yung negosyo mo. And you will have this as a long-term business. Alright? And ganyan din, nasa era din tayo ng AI or artificial intelligence. And marami, grabe yung trend nito or uso. So, yung iba sabi nila, baka trend lang yan or uso lang yan. But the answer to that is no. Because yung business ngayon, paunlad na paunlad, pa-develop na pa-develop. The moment that you don't integrate AI for your business, what's gonna happen? You're gonna left behind. But with all the knowledge and information that is available online ngayon, it can be overwhelming. Hindi mo alam kung paano mo rin to ma-implement, lalo na po sa specific na negosyo mo. That's why dito, I'm teaching also paano mo to ma-implement for your network marketing business. Ano yung mga tools, ano yung mga kailangan mo, ano yung mga dapat mong gawin, right? So, with this, with automation and AI, grabe po, I'm sure that you will have a sure breakthrough for your network marketing business when it comes to your income, sales, and downlines. So, sure ba ako sa mga sinasabi ko? Definitely yes, because with everything that I have shown you, I already have students na nakapag-implement nito. My program has been like since 2022 pa, and I've been practicing this for the past 7 years, and I'm not here just to sell you my program. I'm here to give you the best advice and approach that can be applicable to you. So ito po, like for example, ikaw part-timer ka, si Maricel, a part-timer, when I met her, she was not techie, hindi niya alam kung paano gagawin, di ba? Yung business niya, pero last September 20, kumita siya ng 6 digits income. Sabi niya, nakatulong talaga, basta tuloy-tuloy lang. Grabe coach, hindi ko inaasahan. Kabilis, from nothing to something talaga to. Sarap lang ng feeling na dumating, wala lang, na dating wala lang, pero ngayon meron nagtatanong sa akin at humihingi ng tip. And she also sent to me na naging top 1 siya sa company niya. Right? Ito naman si Mark Nile, when I met him, he didn't have any idea when it comes to automation, when it comes to online. But in just 6 months time, he earned his first million income implementing all the automation and strategies that I taught him. And he also became a part of my program. Ito naman si Elijah, 1 year na ako, sabi niya na ang bago ko, sa network marketing, bago ko makilala si Coach Mabel, halos wala akong income at directs, na natutunan ko lahat ng tinuro at sistema niya, kumita ko ng 300,000 in 2 months time, naging millionaire circle in 7 months at nakuha ko rin yung first car ko, lahat ng leaders ko, part na ng top earners sa company namin. And he also sent the awarding sa company nila and nakapag-travel incentive na rin siya and after 2 to 3 years, ayan, continuous pa rin and mas nasa 3 million circle na siya. So grabe no, because they learn this and then continually nag-grow yung business nila. That's what I told you, right? Ito naman si Miggy, I've also shared this to you earlier. And ito naman si Jade, one of my students also sa isang company rin. 1 million, kumita siya ng 1 million pero napaka-mahiyain po nito as in. All of them are part of different companies, they have different products, they have different compensation plans, but yung automation system and yung pag-integrate ng AI, my way, okay, my way of like integrating AI for their business, yan yung in-apply nila. That's why they gained these results and you wouldn't find it in any other courses and programs online because it's something that is proven and tested and coming from my own experience in doing business na ini-impart ko po sa kanila. So ngayon, yan po yung mga testimonials na meron the moment that you apply everything that I have taught you or shared to you a while ago. So now with all the knowledge that you have, how can you actually take action or implement this? Now, of course, knowledge without implementation is nothing, di ba? Kailangan makapag-take action ka kasi pag hindi ka makapag-take action, wala rin pong mangyayari. That's why here, there are 3 ways kung paano ka makapag-take action. Number 1, you can do it your own. Yes, definitely, you can do it on your own. You can do it like done with you. We have a coaching program for that if you want to know about it. And we also have done for you. So you can hire other people, you can hire experts to do it for you. Ang importante dito, ma-assess mo ano yung pinaka-swak para sa'yo, sa time mo, sa budget mo, and all those stuff. So pag isa-isahin natin, do it your own. You can take what you learned and try to figure out things on your own. Alam mo na rin paano ma-automate yung prospecting inviting mo through Facebook ads. You can automate your presentation. You can have like a follow-up system using chatbot. Mag-research ka, mag-set up ka ng tools, subukan mo kung ano yung gagana. In my case, this actually took me 2 to 3 years to actually figure things out. Kaya medyo matagal. Pero ang advantage lang sa akin nun, I have the time because bata pa lang po ako when I started. But in order for you to be, if you want to work smarter, and I suggest that you have a mentoring or coaching program or enroll in courses that will teach you how. So dito po, ako personally, I have a mentoring coaching program. Can work with us or sa program namin. We'll be guiding you step by step to build your system, to automate your sales process, and hindi yun na kailangan mag-try and error. You still do the work, but now you do it right nang hindi na kailangan again na gumastos pa ng mas malaki, waste time. So this is perfect if gusto mong matuto at gusto mo pa rin hawakan yung negosyo mo. So in our case, my program is priced at 24,990. 6 months po ito na access and may coaching program po talaga to. And limited lang din po yung ina-accept namin dito. I'm just showing this to be transparent. I know that you will be asking how much is that if ever. Yan po example ng price ng program ko. But there are other programs like may iba 15K, 10K, 25,000. But ito po, complete package po kasi ito and tailor fit for network marketers and direct seller. Pag iba naman yung business mo, let me know and you can inquire sa page namin because I'm also open to that. Like, I do coaching for other businesses also. So, yan po. Yung pag may mentoring coaching ka. So, regardless, yan po. Pag gusto mo siya ng hindi mo kailangang mag-trial and error at may mag-guide talaga sa'yo. And last but not the least, ito rin yung ginagawa ng iba. They hire other people or they hire other agencies. So, pag done for you, magbabayad ka. You pay other to do the services for you. Magpapa-ads ka, magpapagawa ka ng graphics, magpapa-develop ka ng website. So, example, ito po yung mga prices, di ba? Ayan, 50,000 per month, 30,000 per month. So, you pay experts to do it for you. You pay them monthly. Mas mahal po ito compared sa coaching na aralin mo na lang. Or di kaya, mas mahal po ito kasi experts nga yung gagawa for you. So, what I did, ako yung expert, nirecord ko kung paano ko ginagawa, and then tuturo ko sa'yo at iko-coaching kita pag sa automated networker. So, yan po yung sample ng mga price ng iba. Ito pag Facebook Ads Expert, ito po pag chatbot, $3,000, $2,000, mas mahal. Landing page, $1,000. So, yan po yung mga prices. Okay? So, yan po yung, again, tatlong ways kung paano ka nga ba makapag-take action. Now, here's the thing. Baka hindi mo alam kung ano nga ba yung best route para sa'yo, ano yung best action step for you. That's why, this time around, I want to be able to help you identify what's the best course of action for you with regard to your time, budget, effort, and all those stuff. And gusto kong bigyan ka ng best advice. So what I'm gonna be doing right now is that you can book a one-on-one business consultation with me, wherein we will assess where you are now, what's blocking your growth, and what specific moves will get your results faster and smarter. Bakit ko po gagawin to? Because right now, there are so many information na pwede kang ma-overwhelm. Ang daming nag-a-advertise, marami ka siguro nakikita na sa online, and syempre lahat sila sabihin nilang the best sila, right? So dito ho, at the end of the day, what's important is that regardless of the program or the coaching or the services, ang importante dito, alam yung problems mo, alam yung goals mo, alam ko ano yung pinaka-best para sa'yo. That's why I will be doing this. So dito po, so one-on-one business consultation, we're gonna have a personalized roadmap and action plan for you. So one-on-one to, this will be around 1 hour. And then sa 1 hour na to, I'll be able to define your goals. I'll be able to identify your problems and what is the best solution for you. I know how to give you the best advice. Aside from that, I'm gonna develop a personalized roadmap and action plan for you that fits your business, time, and skill level. So you're not guessing anymore. This is absolutely priceless kasi you don't need to figure out, don't need to trial and error. And I know the solution to your challenges or problem. And you get to repeat it, you get to have a replay of it, and pwede mo siyang aralin ng paulit-ulit. And I'm not here to just sell you my program or sell you any other coaching. What I'm gonna do in our one-on-one business consultation is that I'm gonna be transparent with you and I'm gonna give you the best advice that would fit you and for you, hindi po para makabenta. Okay? So dito ho, here's everything that you will get. Total value ng lahat-lahat na makukuha ninyo is 15,589. Yan po yung total value niya. But magkano po yung one-on-one business consultation with me? It will be at 1,499 pesos only. And itong price na to, this will increase at any moment. Yes po, because this is just my trial price as of now. I usually charge 5,000 per hour for this. But right now, I want to be able to have coaching ng mga students, and I'm gathering testimonials for this part. That's why I'm offering this at the lowest price that I can offer. So if you're seeing this at this price, take advantage of it and secure your slot for our one-on-one business consultation, because this would give you the clarity, this would give you the breakthrough that you are waiting for. So all you have to do is click the button below to secure your slot. Malilid ka po sa aking payment page. You write your name, email, contact number, then you can secure it. Meron po tayong automatic option. Yung automatic po na yung malilid po yan sa GCash. Kung automatic payment, malilid ka sa GCash or BDO mo, di ba? And just settle it right away. Or if you plan to do it manually, ito po yung only mode of payment natin, wala na pong iba. The moment po that you have na gawa niyo na po yung payment niyo, malilid po kayo sa Facebook page ko, sa Automated Networker page, and that's where we will be scheduling a one-on-one call. Okay? Mag-guide ka po sa next step. So go ahead, take advantage of this one-on-one na business consultation. This is something that will be only available right now. I guarantee you this would be the most worth it na business consultation call with me, because I'll give you the solution to your challenges, to your problems, and this would save you hundreds of thousands, even millions, years of your time, and you don't need to do trial and error anymore. So again, this is Coach Mabel, and I'm excited for you to take advantage of this. Go ahead, while you are seeing this price, take advantage of this price. And this will be available right now in the next 30 minutes only. My system can detect it pag mag-take action ka. 30 minutes time, settle it within 30 minutes time para po ma-secure nyo yung slot nyo. After 30 minutes, it will expire and hindi na po mapibigay sa inyo yung price na to. So go ahead, take advantage of it right now, and see you on our one-on-one business consultation call.